now in Latvia, in University Farm, Pecauce. We are one of the first buyers of honeybee headers in Latvia, and we had bought it 2 years ago. Actually, this is our second season when we are using it, and we found that this header is very usable because of honeybee header. Last year we succeeded to harvest all summer barley, and other combine just refused to continue harvesting and we had possibility just because of this honeybee header to get harvested spring barley which had been lodged. The biggest worries were also about stones, that they will come in combine and can damage it. And again, because of construction of this header, we avoided stones coming into header, and that ones which succeeded to get on header, they had been dropped down in special collection box. This header, what it has done, and saved some additional harvest which didn't stay on field. It's paying back itself.